Today we will learn English alphabet tracing pattern. So let's start. A. Make this slanting line, and then this sleeping line. B. Standing line, this curve, then this half curve again. For C, make this half curve. For D, standing line, then curve. For E, standing line, this sleeping line, sleeping line. F, standing line, sleeping line. For G, half curve like this, then sleeping line. H, standing line, sleeping line. I, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. J, standing line, then half curve. K, standing line, slanting line, then this slanting line. L, standing line, this sleeping line. M, make this standing line, then this standing line, and join this with the slanting line. This. For N, again make this standing line, and join these two lines with this slanting line. For O, make a big circle like this. For P, make this standing line, then this half curve. For Q, this circle, then this slanting line. For R, make this standing line, then half curve, then slanting line. For S, make this curve like this. For T, make this sleeping line, this standing line. For U, make this standing line, curve, standing line. For V, make two slanting line, one this and another this. For W, you have to make only slanting lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. For X, again you have to make slanting line, 1 and 2. For Y, you have to make slanting line, again half slanting line, and then standing line. For Z, make sleeping line, standing line, and then sleeping line. So we have learned how to write English alphabets. Hope you have liked it. Bye bye.